Good morning and welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. Today is Pyjama Day, so I have got my pyjamas and I brought my teddies to help me with assembly. We have got lots of amazing certificates to give out and we'll be emailing those home to you. Today we say a very, very well done in Icon class to Annabella for your use of phonics, well done, and to Sophie for your number work using finger paints. Well done both of you girls, give them a clap at home. In Ash class, very well done to Jamie, who has been writing letters to family and friends. How lovely is that? Well done, Jamie. And to Olivia for your independent writing using your phonics. Well done, both of you. In Homebeam class, a very well done to Stan for the amazing progress he has made at home. And to Hayley for your story based on Jack and the Beanstalk. Well done. In Willow class, Lenny May, fantastic work on Mini Beasts. And Ava for your storyboard based on the Dragon Machine. Well done, both of you. In Sycamore class, Max, you're working so hard on your handwriting. Well done. And TJ for your perseverance doing all of your work. Well done, both of you boys. In Beach class, very well done to Anthony for all of your work, topic work and English work. And to Elsa for your fantastic model of the castle. I love seeing that picture. In Oak class, Holly, they were amazing new skills. That was fantastic trampolining. Thank you for sending the video. And Brandy for all of your work across Google Classroom. Well done, both of you. Well, I hope you are enjoying Pyjama Day. I am going to carry on reading my favorite book with my teddies. Have a fantastic day. I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye for now.